Here we come to the elevator at the Chavez building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This used to be something very vintage, probably from the 50s or 60s, but unfortunately it was modernized. Let's start by going up. It's traction. Here it is. It's not a very recent mod, but cab is still original. Very nice. 50s cab. This may have been an Otis. GL interlock. My camera will focus. Yeah. It says a GL interlock. You can see the shaft. And we'll go up to 4. Let's listen to the motor. Here we are on 4. Now watch this. Not very much classic leveling, but we'll ring the bell. It's an awesome chime. We will go down to 1 and get our cab view. Capacity 2,000 pounds. Very nice cab. EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. 88 phone. This used to be called the Economics Building. I'm not sure what the number is. It's just no plaque anywhere. Anyways, we'll ring the bell. Very nice. Anyways, here it goes. And over here are some vending machines. Dasani, Coca-Cola vending machine, just water, and Gatorade, and Monster Energy. And then there's a snack machine. So anyways, there's a decommissioned fire alarm panel right there. That's the new one. Anyways, that's gonna be it.